So here's the difference between having a strong frame and a weak frame. And this is mostly applied to relationships. If you have a weak frame in the relationship, you are most likely the one listening to the other person. You are the one caving into their wants and their needs. You are the one who is chasing and pursuing. If you are the one who has the weak frame, you will always be the one losing. You're also probably the one who cares more about the relationship, about the deal, about whatever happens. Whoever cares the least has the most power, okay? And so part of having a stronger frame in any relationship is to not care. You don't care about if she likes you or not. You don't care if she follows you or not, because either way you're gonna do it. So having a strong frame is doing what you want whenever you want and not really caring. The stronger frame you have, the more people are gonna listen to you. And this applies to your relationships when it comes to your business, sales, women, etc., etc., etc. So if I give you an example of Will Smith, he has an incredibly weak frame when it comes to his partner. So Will Smith is an absolute fucking simp because he has a weak frame and he does whatever his wife says. And you can actually tell a lot of guys who are like this in the real world too. A lot of guys who have a weak frame, they tend to listen to their partner a lot more, even when it comes to things that they disagree with, right? And so they are constantly putting them in a position of weakness. So having a strong frame is incredibly important when it comes to women, because guess what? Girls are only attracted to you and they only want to operate in your frame, and they only want to listen to you when you have a strong frame. If you have a weak frame, they're going to be nagging, they're going to be bitching, they're going to be complaining, they're going to be out of control, their behavior is going to be poor, and this is with friends as well. So if you have a weak frame and you allow these things, you allow these people to walk all over you because you have a weak frame, you're not willing to walk away, yes, you are going to invite more of this behavior because people will understand that that's what you are willing to tolerate. Part of having a strong frame in any relationship is not tolerating any bullshit, not dealing with any bullshit, walking away, right? Maybe even fucking dumping the chick if she acts up, right? These are all things you have to do to stand your ground and set your beliefs. And there's so many times in the past where I've had to kick girls out of my house. I've had to fucking actually leave dates. I've had to walk away from so many deals because they were testing my patience or they were walking over my boundaries and they were testing, okay? And I don't deal with any of that bullshit. I will walk away. I don't put up with any of that stuff. I will kick a bitch out if needed. And most of the time it is fucking needed. But so many guys are afraid to do that because, oh no, what if I don't get laid? What if the girl ends up talking to another dude? What if she doesn't like me? What if she gets mad at me? Who fucking cares? That is the most beta male simp mindset you can have, is if you give a fuck about what some chick thinks. Who fucking cares? There's fucking 4 billion more of her. It doesn't fucking matter. Walk away.